Hello guys, good day to us all. My name is Chukwemeka Miracle, and in today's video I'm going to show us one quick tip for knowing when to buy and when to sell in the market. Okay, welcome to the Crypto Foot channel, and this channel is dedicated to everything cryptocurrency and earnings online. All right, so far so good. We've been dealing on different subjects on the crypto space, and just show you some of the playlists we have on our channel. Our channel is growing in leaps and bounds. And I'm going to go to content, I think playlists. Okay, go to playlist. We have crypto mining apps, we have airdrops, we have the pulse chain ecosystem, we have the apps that you need to know in the crypto space, we have trading hacks and tricks for beginners, and then we have beginners playlists in the crypto space. So in today's video, I'm going to tell us of one other thing that you can use to know when to buy and when to sell in the markets. Now, what I've discovered is that most people, especially newbies in this space, don't really know when to buy and when to sell. You understand? Because of how volatile the crypto market is, people very, how do I put it now? People tend to wait for someone to tell them, okay, buy so time, sell so time. You understand? So now, without much wasting of our time, let's get into it. All right. So what's the thing I want to tell you is called. I already have what's it called? I have it opened on my browser. Let me just show it to you. It's called the Fear and Greed Index. Okay, so in your spare time, in your research, in your analysis, just say research, just check on crypto fear and greed index. Okay, this is what a definite is. A quick search on Google brought this. A quick search on Google brought this. It says the fear and greed index is an indicator that analyzes and generates a number between 0 to 100, where 1 is the indication of extreme fear and 100 is the indication of extreme greed. Now it says extreme fear implies that the investors in the market are selling, and extreme greed implies that the traders are in a mood to buy more. So I opened it. Let me just show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what the indicator is. Okay, now do you see this number here? See this number here? That is at this number here. That's at this. What I call it, like a hand of a clock. This clock hand here that's at 52. Now here over here is 1. Here is 100. Now you see that this space is green and this space is red. This space is orange. This space is a bit yellow. This space is dark green and this space is light green. Then just different shades. Okay, these are the different sentiments of people about cryptocurrency, about Bitcoin, majorly Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is like the biggest. And once Bitcoin moves, the tendency is that 90% of other tokens or 95% of other tokens will move. If Bitcoin drops, 95% or 100% of other tokens will drop too. So they focus on Bitcoin so that once you understand how Bitcoin moves, the tendency is other coins are going to move almost the same time, almost the same direction. You get probably not in the same manner, probably not in the same volume. You understand? But anything that once Bitcoin makes that move, others will follow. So now, if it is here, if this clock is at 1 here, this is graded 1 to 100. There's 1 here, then there's 1 here, and here there's 100. Okay, there's 100 here. 100. You understand? Now the clock moves from 1 all the way to 100. Presently is at 52, as you can see from over here. It's at 52. You understand? So now, how do you now use this to trade? Okay, it says the explanation is it says it's an indicator that analyzes and generates a number between 0 to 100, where 1 is the indication of extreme fear and 100 is the indication of extreme greed. Now, for you as a trader, for you as an investor, you want to buy things that are cheap and sell them at a more higher price. That is basic economics. You buy low, you sell high. If you want to buy, let's say you want to buy a pair of shoes at about let's say $1, then you want to sell it in the future for about say $7 to get yourself $6 profit. So now, If you come to this, what's it called? If you come to this, anytime you want to trade, and you come to this index, and you see, okay, this hand 52, it is below. Let's say any coin you want to just buy. Let's say any coin you want to buy, and is here like from 40. Let's say here is 40 and below. And you've done your analysis, you've done your fundamental analysis, and you see that okay, this coin is a very valuable coin. Probably it's still undervalued at this moment, but you are looking at the future and you are seeing it has great potentials. You just buy. Okay, just buy. Now, if you come tomorrow now and you see that this hand here has advanced and is at say somewhere here, eh, the truth is most times, more often than not, it won't get to here or below. If it gets to this particular place here, if it gets to this particular spot here, then there's a problem because that has gone to mass hysteria. You need to sell it immediately. If it gets to here, I don't sell, the tendency it will drop all the way down to zero. There's no zero on this clock here, but the tendency is if it gets to its place and you refuse to sell, it will drop all the way down to 1 or 0. You understand? That's just basic economics. That's just how basic economics works. So if you buy an asset, if you buy a coin, you buy a token using this. Now the sweet thing about it is it's very simple that it gets overlooked. You understand? A whole lot of people look at things like support and resistance, order blocks, what's it called again? So many things. Elliott wave, so many things for to trade. You understand? They now neglect some basics, some basic fundamentals, some simple things. You see, the sweet thing about life is, you see those simple things which you just take for granted, which you take very simple and simplistic. They are massively underestimated. Like they are like sure bets. If there's anything like that, they are sure bets that they will definitely work. Now the irony is in their simplicity lies their powers. Okay, in their simplicity lies their powers. This now you don't really necessarily need to even stress yourself or crack your head open on anything. Okay, you look at it that Bitcoin fear index is at 52 presently, which is roughly neutral. Now, if you have any funds, you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to buy Ethereum, you buy it. It's still okay. It's still okay. If in the future now this 52 gets up to something like say it gets up to like take for instance, it gets to like let's see, it gets to like here. I believe you would have made a whole lot of profit from here. Or let's say it gets to somewhere like say here. I believe you will have made handsome profits. Yes, you would have made handsome profit. Or let's say, for instance, now you bought when it was at here. Let's say it was at let's say it was at 45 here, 45 here. You understand? And you sold somewhere around here. That is when it was at say 75. 45 plus 75. That's if you've gotten extra 30 points. Now you now calculate this by the capital you used to buy it. You see that you're in good profit. Okay, so if you're not greedy and you are being realistic, you can use this thing to trade. You can use this thing to trade. Just follow this clock. Just follow this hand. Just follow this hand. This is one of the things I just discovered from my research and analysis. You understand? I just let me just do a video on this for us. Now, the beautiful thing is if you read this, they were like the history of the different stages of the market, and you see that everything correlates perfectly with what this fear and greed index is showing. Let me show. There was okay. It says here. It says let me just mark this out for you. Let me just mark this angle out for you. It says, oh, that's not what I wanted. This is what I was. It says the less the score, the more the fear. Investors are more fearful about the future of Bitcoin. This could be a great buying opportunity. This is it says okay. Let me look at this. The index measures the market sentiment of the crypto dynamics are very clear to you now. It is based on very two basic and simple assumptions. That's two basic and simple assumptions. So the less the score, that means if the score is say about 30 to 1 down, the more the fear. Now, investors are more fearful about the future of Bitcoin. This could be a great buying opportunity. Now, imagine, for instance, now Bitcoin falls to about say $20,000. Just imagine Bitcoin falls to about 20,000 and you have $100 and you buy Bitcoin at $100. Now, by next year, halving event, That's $20,000, and Bitcoin rises to about $50,000. How much do you think your $100 that you buy Bitcoin, $100 Bitcoin you bought then at 20 how much do you think it will be worth? Just imagine it in your head. At least that your $100 should give you, give or take. Just in your own space and just do the calculations. Okay, in your own space and just do the calculations. Now you can use this fear and greed index to look for other low cap gems. In our next video, I will explain to us how you can use coin market cap and some of all these big exchanges to research on low cap gems. These are gems that haven't really made names yet. These are gems that haven't really become so popular yet. Gems that you can just put in $10, $15, $20, $5, and in the bull run they will do massive numbers. Like they would really, really do massive numbers. Because the truth is this, for some of us, people like us that don't really have the leisure of heavy capital, you understand? Investing in Bitcoin is good. It's good, but it doesn't really give us those kind of returns that the likes of Pepe, the likes of Shiba and Co did. You understand? Like that, you put $5 and you'll be getting $100. You'll be getting $200. That is, you'll be getting times 20, times 30, times 100 of your money. You understand? Bitcoin wouldn't really do that for you, except you have large capital. You understand? But you can still use this fear and greed index to look at for other small, those projects that are building, that have been refined in the crypto space, that are upcoming, and just back them up, just stack them up for the coming bull run. Okay, that's it. So what you just do is go on and just read up on this today. Find a way to inculcate it, find a way to bring it into your trading, bring it into your strategy, and believe you me, you'll be glad you did, because it will surely bring a turnaround in your trading journey. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. My name is Chukwemeka Miracle, and our crypto channel is growing in leaps and bounds. Presently, we have about 730 subscribers. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. Please, let's get to 1,000 before the end of November. I know it's possible. I know we can do it. And I tell you, we'll keep bringing out those contents. We'll keep sharing those contents. We'll keep bringing value. Okay, just stick with us. Share to your friends. Share to your socials. Subscribe. Watch. If you have any questions, if you have any issues, if you have any coin, any token you want us to just analyze, to look into, do drop them in the comment section of this video, and I'll be glad to do it, or my partner will be glad to do it. All right, guys. So I come away in our next video. My name is Chukwemeka Miracle, and this is bye for now.